Ever wondered why your computer feels slow even when you just bought it thinking face, or why some people seem to have super fast systems without expensive hardware? Laptop computer high voltage? Today, I'm going to show you a few simple but powerful tricks that can completely transform your computer experience, whether you're using Windows or Linux Rocket. First, let's talk about the biggest mistake most people make: installing too many unnecessary apps package. Every app you install can run in the background, quietly eating your RAM and slowing everything down snail, so the first step is to clean your system, remove anything you don't actually use. Broom. Next, startup programs are a hidden killer of performance. Hourglass not done. When your system boots, dozens of apps might launch automatically, making your startup painfully slow. Yawning face. Disable everything except the essentials, and you'll instantly notice a faster boot time. High voltage. Now here's something most beginners ignore: updates. Counterclockwise arrows button. Keeping your system updated is not just about new features, it actually improves performance, fixes bugs, and sometimes even boosts battery life. Another powerful tip is switching to lightweight software. Instead of heavy browsers or editors, try alternatives that use fewer resources but still get the job done efficiently. Lightbulb. This is especially important if you have an older laptop. Speaking of performance, let's talk about storage. Floppy disk. If your disk is almost full, your system will slow down no matter how powerful it is. Prohibited. Always keep at least 20% free space to maintain smooth performance. Bar chart. Now here's a trick that feels like magic. Sparkles. Clearing temporary files. Wastebasket. Your system constantly creates junk files, and over time they pile up and slow everything down. Cleaning them regularly can give you an instant speed boost. Rocket. If you're on Linux, simple terminal commands can help, and on Windows, built-in tools make it easy. Thumbs up. Another underrated trick is managing your browser globe with meridians. Most people keep dozens of tabs open, install random extensions, and then wonder why everything is lagging. Dizzy face. Keep your browser clean, limit extensions, and close tabs you don't need. Now let's level up fire. If you really want a fast system, consider switching to an SSD if you're still using an HDD computer. Disk right arrow. High voltage. This is one of the biggest upgrades you can ever make, and it can make your system feel 5 to 10 times faster instantly. Rocket. Finally, let's talk about mindset. Brain. You don't always need a new computer to get better performance. Most of the time, you just need better optimization. By applying these simple tips, you can turn even an average machine into a smooth, fast, and enjoyable system to use. Smiling face with sunglasses. So before you think about upgrading your hardware, try these steps first. You might be surprised at how powerful your current setup actually is. Flexed biceps. Sparkles.